All right. Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor. It's all non-toxic and environmentally safe. And you can learn more at MrFloor.com. All right. There you go. It's all you, Robbie.
Thank you. Real quick, though, on the Facebook Live, Aaron from Mr. Floor says he thinks Mouch lives in Skokie and we should find him somehow.
Oh, you mean like he lives here?
Yes, he's seen him around the Village Inn, and he said we should reach out to him, maybe, do some photo op or something at the Restore.
Okay, sure.
So Deanna and Marcus, figure out how to find him. You guys have the contact for Chicago Fire. They delivered all the furniture to you. Hello? Oh, my gosh. I'll take care of it. Just give me the contact for Chicago Fire. I'll pretend I'm Deanna.
A furniture signing with the cast from... Just
one of the cast. Just one guy.
Furniture signing.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
I don't know anybody's. I'm not sure that anybody's ever hosted one of those before.
No.
See?
And all we have to do is go get him in there. I mean, if he's at the Village Inn, we could just buy him a brewski.
Sure.
I'll drive him over there. We'll get him to sign a bunch of things. Take a picture with him, sign him. There's your authentication, Marcus.
Right. Done. Boom, done.
Ask for big buckaroonies.
See, look at the marketing.
Deanna.
Too bad we can't market this show. But we can market everybody else's stuff like there's no tomorrow.
Right?
Okay. So this week, I moved another client from a beautiful home in Sauganash.
Saginaw?
Exactly.
Okay.
And, 4-bedroom, 2-story, finished basement, all these rooms, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing. And she moved into a condo building on Lakeshore Drive. Nice. And they didn't find the one that they wanted, so they're kind of renting for a while. The one they wanted was a 2-bedroom, but what they're in now is a 1.5 bedroom. Okay. So they put like a little futon in there. So they moved from humongous to small. So I'm unpacking them and I'm doing the kitchen. I'm like, where's all your pots and pans? I haven't uncovered the box. She goes, oh, I only have one. Like, what? She goes, well, I'm going to buy another one. She goes, but I had so many. I'm like, you know what? I don't use them. And then they're old and, corroded and stuff like that. She's like, why should I pack all these pots and pans, toss or donate or whatever?
So she took the Robbie Clutter Clarity and put it on steroids.
She downsized and she is a minimalist. And so then, I'm doing her bathroom. I'm like, where's all your towels? And she's like, who needs towels?
Air dry. Put a fan in there.
Okay, now I have so many things. See, I don't have attention deficit disorder. He just gives me other things to talk about. And I had a mutual client once who would
air dry
with the big fans in the bathroom.
I know. That's where that came from.
Just stand right in front and right in back.
Uh-huh.
But this client particularly told me, I mean, she does use towels, but after a shower, she would just jump back in bed in her warm bed and then let all the blankets and covers dry her off. Just saying. Anyway, so I'm like, where's all your towels? And she's like, really? It's just the two of us. How many towels do you need? I'm like, you are right. People buy towels. And she has the same problem that lots of women do. You go to like a Marshall's or something, and there's so many cute towels, and you could get a nice towel for $5 that you just keep buying cute ones and stuff like that. So she downsized on her towels. She's like, how many do you need? I'm like, well, 2 of you, 2 towels, and then maybe a set of 2 more for every person you might have spend the night or,
Yes, but if it's a 1 bedroom, you don't have to even worry about
Exactly. That. They have a futon.
That's what hotels are for.
Right. So maybe 8 towels, 8 body towels or bath towels or whatever you'd call them. And then I'm looking, just everything. I'm like, where's your toiletries? And she's like, oh, I cut down on my makeup. What do most people need? A mascara, an eyeliner,
I don't need any of that.
Whatever. Exactly. Rich needs a little complexion cream, but I'm not saying
but he's down there in Florida, so
yeah.
I have color. You guys look pasty.
Pasty white boys. Here we are.
So, as I'm going through, I'm like, where's this? Where's that? So there are things that she did save, the little silver tea set that she got from her grandma, things like that. But I am just amazed. So after we were finished unpacking, I said, you know what? You don't need a bigger apartment. Why not just buy this one instead of, because I said, heck, if you want to pay me to move you again from this apartment to another
what did it take you, an hour? If she didn't have anything,
it was...
Well, you have to fold the 2 towels well.
Oh, properly and stack
Wash
them.
the 1 pot.
But I do got to tell you, moving companies, are sometimes wonderful and sometimes difficult. This moving company, we went to the condo early. The moving company got there. They said, okay, it's going to be about 2 more hours. So we said, okay, in an hour, we'll meet at the condo, and we can get everything ready. 2 hours later, still no moving company. We kept calling her husband. He's like, oh, they left already. The husband gets to the condo before the moving company gets there. He waited, locked up, and,
We got to stop and get lunch.
They stopped and got lunch.
That's a no-brainer. I told you that.
They stopped and got lunch. They hadn't even been working.
Did they bring you a hot dog?
No. They hadn't even been working 4 hours, and they stopped and got lunch.
Sure.
So I had to look up the, laws and stuff, and every state is different, but, you get a 15-minute break after
2 hours.
Whatever it is. But I'm like,
and then stopped. A 30-minute lunch, and then a 15-minute in the afternoon in an 8-hour day.
But what I was looking at says companies don't have to give you.
Oh,
you do if you got the poster hanging.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So anyway, I'm like, they don't get a lunch. They don't get a lunch hour. Anyway.
Half hour. Lunch half hour.
They were gone
forever.
They're
still, human beings. They have to eat to keep up their energy.
They got to carry all this heavy
I understand,
boxes.
but you would think that they would say something. Not, okay, we'll see you at the condo, and everybody's there waiting, and they never show up. That has nothing to do with the minimal.
They showed up right after lunch.
This is
They're human beings. They're human beings.
Yes, they need sustenance.
I get that they're human beings. The point was, everybody's waiting on them and they're paying by the hour and you're just sitting there. So after 2 hours of me, the client, and my helper, I said, I'll come back tomorrow.
How long did it take you to unpack? If they were...
Well, this was for the...
2 towels and
right.
One pot.
And they probably only had one set of sheets.
Me too long, but for they did have a lot of
furniture. If she only has one pan, she must not be much of a cook. I mean, all you do make rice a lot.
Well, she was going to buy a couple cleaner,
buy another one,
buy a new set. But the unpacking was the truck, the furniture and stuff. It took them forever. So like I said, after 2 hours of the three of us just sitting there looking at each other, I said, you know what, I can come back tomorrow. It's a Sunday. It doesn't. Because it was Saturday after the show. I said, I don't mind coming back, but you're paying me to just sit here and we're looking at each other.
Yep.
But the moving company was not good. And they had used them before.
Really?
Yeah. And they just were so unhappy. They said one guy whined the whole time. This isn't going to fit. This isn't going to fit. And it all fit. But anyway, it was just amazing. So I went home and I'm like, I'm getting rid of everything.
Okay, so...